Hi, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and we're going to talk about the best features in the Dell Latitude 7220 tablet. And I think my favorite feature in this entire setup here is the detachable keyboard. It's magnetic whenever you pop it back in so that the laptop connects seamlessly. There's also the keyboard that's backlit like this. It's a great keyboard. You know how I am with keyboards. And this is a nice keyboard for a detachable keyboard. It has a nice mouse pad, programmable buttons down here so that you can, P1 could open up a specific program that you might be using, or P2 or P3. You can assign it to any task you like in the operating system. Some other nice features on this is the hot swappable battery. There's two of them and you can hot swap them. This is the Kickstand, believe it or not, where when you have the keyboard attached, it keeps the screen propped up like that so that you can see what you're doing as a regular laptop. Other nice features is I really like the port covers on this model. It's best in its class as far as type of and sealability of these port covers, and they're really robust. So as compared to Panasonic or Getac, these are pretty decent, and I like these better than the other manufacturers. Another nice feature is the touch screen. The screen itself is 1000 nit daylight readable, which is pretty much basically the same as all the others. This one though doesn't have a glossy screen. It has a matte finish on the screen, so you don't get any glare or anything like that whenever you're using this screen. So basically that's the best features. I'm going to do this feature again because this is my favorite feature, is the detachable keyboard that's magnetic. I really like that. So this is the Dell Latitude 7220. Let me know what you think about this unit in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.